The install process is super easy here. We have 7 pools going in, so all we did was when the site was cut, we just cut down a big trench, and then the engineers worked up a landing pad for us, and today all we're getting is just the pools getting dropped into place one by one, and it's just couldn't be easier than that. I'm Jack from Sandbox Properties. We're here at Marella in Runaway Bay. The main reasons we went with Plungie on this project was mainly focused around design and quality. First of all, we needed a pool that would fit within the space out here, and we needed a product that was of a high enough quality to suit the project itself. It was just super easy. They're such a well-oiled machine, Plungie. We did one just up the road here, or just up the canal, about 200 metres up. We had all 7 pools in by lunchtime. That was the big showstopper. So, I mean, you couldn't do that with any other product or in situ or just any other way. So it's just absolutely perfect.